everyone, welcome to my channel, and yes, I am extremely excited for this reaction because it's by one of my favorite artists, Young Stunners, and ये गाना उनके channel पे नहीं है. This is on VELO sound station. Now I've come across this for the first time, guys, but ये actually sound station 2.0 है. मतलब इसके पहले भी आ चुका है इसका कोई version या whatever. I'm not sure, guys. I have literally no information about this. So this song is called Duur, और ये of course Anjum, Yunus and Jokhay तीनों ने produce, compose किया है, लिखा obviously the duo has written this and produced by Jokhay, mixed and mastered by Jokhay. And yeah, I'm not gonna delay this any further. Let's listen to the song right away. Keep out of the reach of children. What?
Yo, Paji, इधर shout है तू यार. Pull up bro, foreign punch.
Oh, it's a club song.
तू अंबरा दा नूर रंदी सारे तो दूर तेरा जायज़ है गुरूर. I see the way you looking at me, baby.
I have to start this again because Talha Anjum is singing. Why didn't he do yeah? Hello. I'm sorry. Why? या फिर वो करेंगे बाद में, पता नहीं. Let's see. But he's singing. He's, oh my god, Anjum as singer is literally, now I'm like going crazy about his singing. Rapping तो अच्छी करता ही है, but I'm glad. I feel कि जो मैंने बोला था बहुत महीनों पहले कि I would want Anjum to explore more of his vocal side, which he's doing nowadays. I'm very happy. So yeah, let's start again. मुझे लगा क्लब सॉन्ग होगा, but ये तो अलग ही वाइब है.
Yo, Paji, इधर shout है तू यार. Pull up bro, foreign punch.
What is this? I like this instrumental. Anjum is looking expensive, huh?
तू अंबरा दा नूर रंदी सारे तो दूर तेरा जायज़ है गुरूर. I see the way you looking at me, baby. खड़े खड़े दूर. I got cameras on me everywhere I go. मैं थोड़ा मशहूर, मैं बड़ा मजबूर. कभी मिले बैठे फुर्सत से, नशा है तेरी कुर्बत में.
Oh, it's what his full song?
तो है कुदरत के.
There's no rap.
Take it slow, 'cause we can't rush this. तेरे हिजर ने ये हशर किया है. मैंने रब से तेरा जिक्र किया है. दिल बेचारा मेरा टूट के ना जुड़ा. टुकड़े हुए हैं, जान बिखर गया है. क्यों करूं फिक्र गुजरे वे कल की. फिक्र में ही जिंदगी गुजरती. तू रोशनी है मेरी, जाने होगा कब सवेरा. मुझसे ये अंधेरी रातें नहीं कटती. शहर के हैं लोग बड़े संग दिल. तुम तो इस शहर की नहीं लगती. यहाँ लोगों के एहसासात वक्ती. मैंने दिल की बातें दिल में ही रख ली. जिंदगी अजीब है, इंसान भी क्या चीज है. क्यों है तेरे मेरे बीच दूरियां. think on
Isn't that a shout out from their old song?
Party in the deep ends, baby. भेजूंगा एक latex maybe. I don't wanna get too crazy, but I swear to God तू अंबरा दा नूर रंदी सारे तो दूर तेरा जायज़ है गुरूर.
It's a vibe, guys.
खड़े खड़े दूर. I got cameras on me everywhere I go. मैं थोड़ा मशहूर, मैं बड़ा मजबूर. सोबतें खराब मेरी पहले से. जी अब जनाब तेरे कहने पे.
No way.
गूंगे सारे बेरे थे, क्या वादे हो वफाओं के जो सबके दो तीन चेहरे थे. रहते ज्यादा सड़कों पे पर प्यासे जैसे सेरे पे. लहू से भरते कागज तो फिर कैसे ना यूं बहने दे. वही खड़े हैं फेरे पे, वही बोलेंगे रहने दे. ठहरे हुए इशारे पे जख्म तो सारे गहरे थे. गरजते नहीं है सीधा बरसते. तड़प ये ऐसी के सारे तरसते. हर फरत के दोनों कंधों पे फरिश्ते. तुम क्या बताओगे कब सही थे कब गलत थे. I don't know, I keep calling on your phone. I'm not alone, but I always feel alone. अलग कहानियाँ अलग ही मेरे zone. जो सोचा कभी ख्वाबों में आज करता हूँ मैं own. I got cameras on me everywhere I go. You know how I roll, baby, keep it on the low. Always on the road, I will see you at the show. मैं बड़ा मजबूर, रातें जागा रहूँ रोज. दिल में जो बातें वो अब खुद से करूँ. कहानियाँ खत्म नहीं हुई हैं शुरू. तू मेरे पास होके भी है कितना दूर, तू ही मेरी आस जैसे तू ही है सुकून। तू अंबरा दा नूर रेंदी सारे तो दूर, तेरा जायज़ है गुरूर। I see the way you looking at me baby, खड़े खड़े दूर। I got cameras on me everywhere I go, मैं थोड़ा मशहूर, मैं बड़ा मजबूर।
The song and the video don't match. But the song is great. Okay. So this is the first time I've come across this channel. The song is beautiful. The song is beautiful. I did not know this is going to be like an out and out, like a pop song. And I thought it was going to be a mix of like a melodic hook plus rap, but it's a complete, it's a total melodious song. मैं तो मतलब जब अंजुम अपना वर्स गा रहे थे मुझे लगा कि अच्छा चलो यूनिस में भी रैप करेंगे, but then he also started singing. It was beautiful. Like the beat, I love that tung 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 tung. I don't know what that instrumental is, but it's so well incorporated throughout the song by Jokhay, and I'm not even surprised because it's Jokhay. He's ultra talented, and like I would be surprised if the song did not impress me. That's when I will be surprised when I come across their songs. But this, both of them sounded amazing. Both of them, they bring in their A game. I said this in my last Youngsters reaction also. Like when they are together, both of them just they bring in their A game, and this just synergy just explodes all over the place. So I loved the beat arrangement, very very nice. The only negative point is the video. This is the first time I feel a little bit disappointed in a Youngsters video because this song is very breezy and beautiful, and it just does not suit in a club setup. Honestly, like I would have understood कि in fact अगर यही setup रखना होता, I would have want कि dim lighting ही हो, and people are not really dancing. People are just like, you see Anjum and Yunus kind of vibe to the song when they're singing, and then there are people who are sitting around and they're just vibing to the song. That would have made more sense to me rather than like a complete, like a club song. I mean, that's the only like critique I have to the video, because I look for whenever they take, you know, release a video, ऐसे उनके videos इतने release होते नहीं है, ज़्यादातर audio ही वो release करते हैं, चाहे वो collaborations हो या खुद के गाने हो, जो भी, पर वो audios release करते हैं. So whenever there is a video, I really look forward to it कि क्या होगा video में. But I would have, this is probably I think the first time a Youngsters like video has, you know, I'm sure ये उनका idea नहीं है, ये Vivo sound station का idea होगा, because वहाँ पे आप बार-बार उनका logo देखते हो. But the point is that they could have done something else with such a beautiful song. With such a beautiful, you have such a beautiful song in your hand, you could have literally done something, because the video looks expensive. The video looks expensive, काफी खर्चा है. If you see color grading wise, lighting, camera work, cinematography and all of that, it's, I mean, pros ने ही बनाया है ये video. But कुछ और concept में बनाते तो ज़्यादा better लगता मुझे. I feel that. But that's just about the video. But that has nothing to do with the song, because the song is absolutely a banger. Very loopable, very loopable. And I think that I'm very happy to see Anjum kind of, you know, जैसे open letter में भी उन्होंने दोनों ही explore किया था, like his raps as well as the singing voice. But I'm very happy that he's actually concentrating more on the singing part as well, because I think he has probably gotten the feedback that he has a beautiful voice, a very calming, soothing voice. And I've always said, like, it's not very polished. It's there's a very raw feel to it, which makes it, you know, sonically also very realistic, that okay, कोई अपना बंदा गा रहा है, ऐसा feel आता है. So that way, I really am very happy that Anjum is kind of exploring that singing part of his. And Yunus though was a surprise. He though was a surprise. I was honestly, मेरे दिमाग में भी नहीं आया था कि वो गाएगा. I was like 100% sure कि चलो Anjum को तो गाते हुए सुना, so it's expected, but Yunus will do his rap. But when he started singing, I'm like, oh no, ये कितनी बार दिल जीतोगे by God, seriously. But this was very, very enjoyable. I was completely vibing like from the get-go. And that's props to Jokhay, because coming up with this kind of very groovy beat, yet it has a very calming effect. That's why I was like, the song doesn't match the video. That's why I was like, it's a calming, groovy, chill song hai. Why? Then coming to the lyrics, obviously it's a commercial song, so you understand while listening to the song as well. But because it's YS, I mean, just see the poetry in their lines, and even the way they have rhymed all the lines, all of it just works together so well. Love it, absolutely love it. I mean, there's literally nothing to complain about this song except the video. Video I have complaints, but song definitely there are no complaints from my side. I enjoyed it through and through from start to finish. So yeah, that was the reaction to Duur by Youngsters. And how do you find this song? Please let me know, because it's on a very commercial zone, right? And Youngsters anyways time to time ekdam commercial bangers bhi banate hain, but obviously their forte is hip hop. But I want to know your thoughts. Like, what do you think of these kind of songs when they do these kind of commercial songs? So this is not even hip hop. Like, this is not even a combination of pop and hip hop. This is pure pop song. It's a pop song. So what are your thoughts? Like, are you, because होते हैं ना कुछ कुछ जो hip hop enthusiast होते हैं, like उन्हें पसंद नहीं होता जब favorite artist उनके इस zone में जाना start करते हैं. But I would like to know that opinion as well, if you hold that opinion. So yeah, that was the reaction. Those were my thoughts on Duur, and I'm gonna sign off now from this video. I'll see you soon on my next one. Bye.